Enjoy a breathtaking view of the current progress at the Floria residence. The construction of our high-rise luxury residence has reached a significant milestone, with completion of the structural framework up to the 6th floor. As we progress, we are excited to continue the upward journey, with 5 more floors to be constructed, bringing us closer to the realization of this prestigious development. As the construction progresses, structural elements such as columns, beams, and slabs are erected to form the skeleton of the building. Advanced construction techniques and materials are being utilized to enhance structural integrity and withstand various environmental factors. The structural construction of Floria Residence is a complex yet rewarding endeavor, culminating in the creation of an architectural masterpiece that combines elegance, functionality, and innovation.